today. I am walking through a project that we purchased on Friday, and they're getting ready to start demo. The dumpster should be here anytime now, and they're gonna start tearing it apart tomorrow. So I wanted you guys to get to see it. Nice gloomy day here. But this is our latest project. You guys can see it's a brick rambler. This house was original owners, lived here for many, many years. We got this house actually from a wholesaler, so that's another story I'm going to be telling you guys soon, but we're going to start with the exterior. So obviously here, new front steps. We're actually going to do an entirely new walkway because this was painted at some point and then it's heaving and cracking all the way down. I'm going to walk you through. We're not going to go in the front door. We've got this original brick exterior. You guys can see we've got the single tab shingles, so we're putting a new roof on here as well. At the price point this house is going to go on at, a buyer would expect that to be a 3-tab architectural shingle with a 30 to 35 year warranty. So that's what we're going to put on here. We had to open up the windows. It needed some fresh air in a bad way here. But these are all going to get replaced as well. Those are original windows. The labor actually to repair and fix those is almost the same cost as just replacing them. And obviously when you replace them, you get a better energy efficiency with them. So the backyard, this huge tree. All right, so we have a 1-car attached garage. So we're going to show you what we're going to do with that. We're actually going to move this entrance, this back door, over to here, and in a minute you'll see why we're going to do that. Bear with me, guys. Okay, so this is the entrance into the house. Here's the kitchen. So can you guys imagine? There's a lot of opportunity in here. This is a really great neighborhood, but this house has been neglected for sure. So where I said on the exterior, we're gonna move the door is where this window is. So then we're gonna have this be a mudroom. You guys can see this. Cute little pantry over there, but yeah, we're gonna change this all around. Okay, so let's go out of the kitchen here. We have a swinging door. Trying not to touch it. All right, so here's the dining room. So this, we're going to open up this wall right over here because you guys can see on the other side, I don't even know what I just tripped on, is a fireplace. So we're really working hard to keep that because it's one of the original features of the house. It ties in with this cove ceiling. So we're hoping that we can salvage these hardwood floors as well. Some of the carpet was covering them in some places. We're just hoping we can salvage them. We won't exactly know until we get everything out. But here's that big, beautiful front window. This is a really great area, quiet. We've worked in this area before, really desirable, really hard to find large houses, which is why we thought this was a good purchase. Look at the doorknobs on this. You guys see that? I'm a sucker for that. I love those details. So here's your front door, and we're actually going to open up where this wall is here. So you are gonna have a sight line when you walk in the house because that wall will be gone and this will be open as well. You're gonna be able to see all the way back to the kitchen. So here you can see why we're not quite sure yet if we can save the floors until we get all this carpet out. All right, so here's the largest bedroom. So what we're gonna do here is make this a master bedroom, and we're gonna push that wall back just a little bit to get enough space for a master bathroom. So that's gonna be completely transformed. This is the main floor bathroom right now. We will be changing pretty much everything in here. And then over here is another bedroom, another bathroom. So this was a property that was inherited. Nobody has lived here for a very, very long time, as you guys can see. So that is all getting demoed as well. And we are gonna go back through here, this hallway, there's another bedroom here. So we have 3 bedrooms on the main floor, and we're gonna have 2 bathrooms. And I will run you guys to the downstairs. So the floor plan of this house, it's a rambler, so it is almost 1,500 square feet on the main floor. Again, really large house, really unheard of in this neighborhood. Most of them are not that big, so this will be almost 3,000 square feet when we are done. You guys can see this is the mechanicals. I'm not gonna go in here very closely, but we're gonna put a new furnace in. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, that's gonna get replaced. Water heater. We have a lot of unfinished space in the basement, which is nice. So we're gonna add another bedroom, another bathroom down here. You guys can see, look at the door and the knob and the tile all match. They're all mint green. That's the door to the movie room. So here's the rest of the basement. This is all unfinished. You guys can see, you know how much I love basements. Oh, we got some tires. There's some hubcaps upstairs in the dining room. So there was 2 cars that were left with the house as well. So they just cleared those out for us so that we didn't have to worry about it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is pretty cool. If you guys can see this, it's all original. You guys can see, look how small that TV is. It's built in. That's crazy. So this is gonna be the main family room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room. We're gonna do a bar. We've got plenty of space down here. Again, this is gonna be a really big house for this area. Probably about 25 to 35% larger than any of the other houses. So, finalized our budgets on this one too. Hold on, let me shut the door here. And it's a pretty extensive budget. There isn't anything that's surface-wise can be salvaged. And because we're also reconfiguring everything, with all the walls being open, we're doing full electrical. So just as if it was a new construction house. So that gets really costly. The nice thing is though, it's a rambler, so there's not as much fishing of the wires as there would be if it was a 2-story house. So I think we're still waiting for that bid, but with all the HVAC, furnace, AC, roof, the brick is staying the same on the exterior, but we're making some changes as far as layout goes with windows. So we're gonna have a little bit of hatching on the exterior, so we'll be painting, and then all the windows, and there's a lot of windows. So I think all in, this one was looking to be just on the contracting side, right around 75. So if that gives you guys any idea, that doesn't include some of the other items that we haven't finalized yet. So it was an off-market purchase, so that's something I'm going to be talking about too, because I've told you guys in 12 years I've never been able to buy a property off-market. So we were able to do that last week too, so that was kind of a new experience. It's something that it would be great if it worked out more often, but oftentimes it doesn't, because a lot of times wholesalers work in different neighborhoods, so other than the ones we work in. So let me know what questions you guys have. Thanks for taking a tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you're checking back to see how this one's progressing.